this job, this what we do, how we go about doing it, it's obviously not easy, and especially when you enter these periods of, we'll just call it, extremely elevated uncertainty on a day-to-day basis, right? So, last couple days have been, well, it's been actually longer than the last couple days, but it's been an interesting stretch here, right? I mean, I think the macro themes deck yesterday was an excellent distillation of all these different dynamics, how to sort of think about them, what's going on, obviously, ultimately, coming back to the signal. I mean, we've talked about this, but essentially you know, the level of uncertainty, the level of change happening here, basically in real time, right, on a day-to-day basis, is just creating this extraordinarily wide dispersion of outcomes, right? I mean, you look at the sort of massive divergence between the hard data and the soft data. Everybody has this expectation that in a matter of, the next few days or weeks, we're going to start seeing these, shortages of different products. It's going to drive prices up. We're going to see, or expectation is we're going to see this sort of rapid acceleration in inflation. Meanwhile, you've got all kinds of things happening in DC, from tax policy negotiations with lots of uncertainty there, to, of course, the daily trade deal bingo card, what we're going to get, what we're not going to get. So just a lot of things moving, right? And I think the signal is extremely helpful as a rudder and a North Star in keeping us on the right side of thinking about that. But yeah, it's what it lends to is ultimately relying more heavily on the nowcasting framework and on the signaling framework, and I think less so on the forecasting element, because the further into the future you try to look, with the degree of uncertainty we're facing here, the harder it is, the cloudier it gets. So that's been our premise here for going back a number of months, and nothing about that's changed.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.